Hi guys, wanted to check this video and see how the Egypt was reconstructed and faked. And also, I want your opinion. Write me in the comments. What do you think those faces looked before the reconstruction? Or maybe you have any evidence of that they were looking different before they changed them, as we see on this picture. Anyways, there's a bunch of evidence of faking Stonehenge and a bunch of evidence of faking stuff in Greece and many more. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'm waiting for your comments. What do you think? See ya.